Alright, so here we are. This is day one of engine removal, 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. We already have the hood removed. Remove the hood. I mean, we're just doing simple stuff right now. Got the front grille removed. Working on the headlights and the bumper right now. Just taking off the basic stuff. Take note, this is our first engine swap ever, like together. My brother has changed a couple engines with this guy he used to work with. Me, on the other hand, my first time, so I'm excited. The what?
Cardboard.
It is over there. It's over there under the wood. He's looking for some cardboard, but us mechanics, we don't give a fuck when you get dirty. But yeah, so this is day one. We're just gonna start tearing stuff down. So stay tuned. Once we get the bumper, the lights, and all the radiator and stuff, obviously we gotta remove all that fan. Gonna be doing all that soon. Probably get to that today. Got a couple hours before it gets dark. So yeah, we'll get back to it. Alright.